Before performing the lift, engage the brake on the bed. Then lower the rail on the side that will be receiving the lift. Move the resident and wheelchair as close to the bed as possible. Engage the wheel locks on the wheelchair. Move the front riggings out of the way. Position the sling on the resident. Have the resident lean forward in the chair. Take the sling and slide it behind the resident with the smooth surface against the resident's body and the grab handles outside. The sling should be positioned between the top of the resident's head and the base of the spine. Make sure it's straight and parallel to the resident's shoulders. Push the bottom of the sling down to the seat. Position the straps as far forward in the seat as possible. Have the resident lean back in the chair. Lift one of the resident's legs. Reach under and pull the sling out until it's just behind the resident's knee, about 3 inches. Repeat the procedure for the other leg. Be sure that the sling is clear of the wheelchair's front corners. Move the lift into place. Make sure that the lift's legs are in the maximum open position for stability. Use the shifter handle to open the legs of the lift. Position the lift so it's over the wheelchair. Lower the boom so you can attach the sling to the swivel bar. Lock the rear casters to secure the lift. Position the swivel bar so that it's parallel with the resident's shoulders for proper attachment. Then attach the sling. First, attach the straps that are by the resident's legs to the front of the swivel bar. Just make sure that you use the same color straps for both legs. Attach the top straps securely to the swivel bar hooks that are closest to the resident. Again, making sure you use the same color straps for both sides. Make sure the resident's arms are inside the sling. Unlock the rear casters. Press the up button on the hand pendant to elevate the swivel bar and put a slight amount of tension on the sling. Double check to make sure that all sling straps are properly attached to the swivel bar. If they are not, lower the sling and fix them. Start the transfer. Press the up button on the hand pendant until the resident rises to a point just above the wheelchair. During the transfer, the other caregiver can use the sling handles to maneuver the resident. Use the push handles to slowly move the resident toward the bed. Rotate and position the resident over the middle of the bed. Press the down button on the hand pendant to lower the resident onto the bed. Once the resident's full weight is on the bed, lock the lift's rear casters. And unhook the sling from the swivel bar. Unlock the casters and move the lift away from the bed. Remove the sling.